Have you ever wondered how to earn money with BigCommerce or freelancing? Well, today is your day. We're diving into the fascinating world of online commerce and the gig economy to uncover the steps you can take to start earning money in these fields. Sounds interesting, right? Stick around and you might just uncover your next big opportunity. First off, BigCommerce. For those who might not know, BigCommerce is a leading e-commerce platform that allows entrepreneurs to create their online stores. It's a platform that's been growing in popularity, and for a good reason. It offers a wealth of features that make it easier than ever to start selling online. So, how can you start earning money with BigCommerce? The first step is to create your online store. This involves selecting a theme, customizing it to fit your brand, and adding your products. Once you've set up your store, the next step is to start marketing your products. This can take many forms, from search engine optimization to social media marketing and more. The beauty of BigCommerce is its flexibility. You can sell virtually anything, from physical products to digital products and even services. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a market. Once you've found that, it's all about providing value to your customers and building a strong brand. Now, let's switch gears and talk about freelancing. Freelancing is another fantastic way to earn money, and it's becoming increasingly popular in our ever-changing digital landscape. Freelancing involves offering your skills or services to clients on a contract basis. This can range from graphic design to writing to programming and much more. The first step in freelancing is to identify your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you've got a clear idea of your skills, the next step is to find clients. This is where platforms like Upwork and Fiverr come in. These are online marketplaces where freelancers can connect with clients looking for their services. The key to freelancing is building a strong portfolio and establishing a reputation for quality work. This involves not only doing great work for your clients, but also communicating effectively and meeting deadlines. It might take some time to build up your portfolio and reputation, but with persistence and dedication, you can create a successful freelancing career. To wrap things up, earning money with BigCommerce and freelancing involves a few key steps. With BigCommerce, it's about creating an online store, finding a niche, and marketing your products. With freelancing, it's about identifying your skills, finding clients, and building a strong portfolio and reputation. Both paths offer great potential for income and the flexibility to work on your terms. Remember, the journey to earning money online is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and persistence. But with the right approach and the right mindset, you can tap into the potential of BigCommerce and freelancing to create a successful and profitable career. So why not start today?